Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my own fried chicken. First, I'll be showing you guys what I use for my fried chicken. It's very basic. You'll be needing some drums, and I usually use some black pepper, eggs, all-purpose flour to coat the chicken. You also need some spice. I use my favorite spice. I told you guys in my previous video how I get the spice. And then the empty bowl is for me to whisk the egg. So you add your spices to the chicken. I added some salt. Then I added my spice mix. And then you rub it in together, try to get as much of the spices in the chicken as you can. If I'm going to make this, if I have plans for this, I usually marinate it overnight. Then you set that aside. You take your empty bowl, you break 2 eggs inside. You just need 2 eggs. I don't know why I kept 3 eggs there. You break 2 eggs inside. And then you whisk the egg. Set that aside also. Your flour, you add some spices. You add some spices because when you dip the chicken in the egg, some of the spices get lost in the egg. So you have to put some spices in your flour. So when all of this is done, you take your chicken, you dip it in your egg. Make sure you get as much egg on it as possible. After that, you coat it with your flour. Make sure you coat it very well to prevent any sticky parts. And then you put it in your oil. You need to be sure the oil is very hot. You don't want the chicken in the oil and then it's not hot. So this is it. I'll just let you guys watch. It's very easy. This is like my go-to chicken recipe. And then you put as much chicken. Once you've gotten enough chicken in the frying pan as you want, you allow it fry. You don't need to keep touching it, just allow it fry. And when it starts getting crispy, you can see that it's brown already, like this golden brownish color. Then you can flip it, to fry the other part of the chicken. And once the other part is fried, you take them out. I usually just take them and put them in some paper towel so I can get out the excess oil. That's it, guys. This is my fried chicken recipe. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.